Welcome to Spirit Gate. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating spiritual experiences, astral projection. Imagine being able to leave your body, explore different realms, and access higher dimensions all while staying safe and in control. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of astral projection, step-by-step techniques, and safety tips so you can navigate the astral plane with confidence. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more powerful spiritual insights that can transform your life. Astral projection, also known as an out-of-body experience, OBE, is the process of consciously separating your astral body from your physical form. It allows you to explore different dimensions, visit distant locations, and even connect with higher beings. Ancient civilizations, mystics, and spiritual teachers have practiced astral travel for centuries. Some believe it's a gateway to higher knowledge, while others use it for personal growth and enlightenment. Before attempting astral projection, preparation is key. Here's how to get started. Create a peaceful environment, dim the lights, play relaxing music, and remove distractions. Meditate regularly. A calm and focused mind is essential for a successful projection. Keep a dream journal. Awareness of dreams can strengthen your ability to recognize the astral state. Set a clear intention. Affirm that you will have a safe and enlightening experience. The first step in astral projection is achieving deep relaxation. Lay down in a comfortable position, preferably on your back. Take slow, deep breaths and release any tension in your body. Focus on each muscle group, consciously relaxing from head to toe. Enter a meditative state by clearing your mind and letting go of physical sensations. Once relaxed, you may begin to feel vibrations or buzzing sensations. This is a sign that your astral body is preparing to separate. Don't be alarmed. This is completely normal. Allow the vibrations to intensify while maintaining a relaxed state. Imagine yourself floating or gently rocking back and forth. Now comes the most crucial step, exiting your body, the rope technique. Imagine a rope hanging above you. Visualize your astral hands grabbing it and pulling yourself up. The rollout method. Picture yourself rolling sideways out of your physical body. The floating technique. Feel yourself gently rising as if you were weightless. Once you sense a shift, you are now in the astral realm. Congratulations! You've left your body. Here's how to explore safely. A. Stay calm and centered. Avoid panic, as strong emotions can pull you back to your physical body. Move with thought. In the astral realm, movement is controlled by intention. Think of where you want to go, and you will be there instantly. Observe your surroundings. Many people experience different colors, beings, or landscapes. Take note of what you see. Astral projection is temporary. You will always return to your body. However, here's how to ensure a smooth re-entry. Affirm your return. Simply think or say, "I am returning to my physical body now." Focus on your physical senses. Wiggle your fingers or toes to reawaken your body. Stay grounded. Once back, take deep breaths and drink water to fully reintegrate. Many beginners face challenges when learning astral projection. Here's how to overcome the most common ones. Fear of the unknown. Trust that the astral realm is a safe space. Your energy and intentions will determine your experience. Falling asleep. Try practicing in the early morning when your mind is rested but still slightly conscious. Difficulty separating. Keep practicing visualization techniques until the process feels natural. Astral projection is a powerful tool for self-discovery, healing, and higher awareness. With practice and patience, you can unlock incredible experiences beyond the physical realm. Bonus tip: keep a notebook beside your bed and record every out-of-body experience. This will help strengthen your astral awareness and improve your future journeys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more deep spiritual insights. In the comments, let us know. Have you ever experienced astral projection? What was it like? We'd love to hear your stories.